Today we're talking about fiduciary duties in Australia. What are they, when they arise, and why they matter? A fiduciary duty is a special obligation that comes from a relationship of trust and confidence. It arises when the person has power or discretion to act on behalf of another, and the other person is vulnerable to the way that that power is used. Because of that, the fiduciary must act in the best interest of the other person, avoid conflicts of interest, and not profit from the relationship unless they have full informed consent. These duties don't depend on someone's title. They depend on the actual relationship. Courts look for things like trust, vulnerability, reliance, and whether one person's discretion affects another's interests. That means fiduciary duties can arise in more situations than people expect. There are well-known fiduciary duties like trustees and beneficiaries, company directors and companies, partners, solicitors and clients, and many agents. But they can also arise in commercial settings such as joint ventures or franchise arrangements if the circumstances show the right level of trust and reliance. For directors and officers, fiduciary duties are central. They must act honestly, in good faith, and for a proper purpose. They must avoid conflicts, disclose personal interests, and not misuse their position or the company's information for personal gain. Breaches of these duties can lead to compensation, accounting of profits, injunctions, disqualifications, and sometimes even criminal sanctions. In employment, not every employee has a fiduciary duty, but they can arise where the role involves significant trust, sensitive information, or real decision-making power. Common breaches include taking business opportunities, soliciting clients or employees, or misusing confidential information. A key point is that a breach can occur even if no one suffers actual loss. Simply being in a conflict of interest, failing to disclose something relevant, or gaining an unauthorized benefit can be enough. Courts focus on accountability and preventing unfair advantages. Fiduciary duties play an important role in keeping Australian commercial and professional relationships fair and trustworthy. They ensure people who hold power use it properly, and they protect those who rely on them. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with an experienced corporate litigation professional, and let us help protect your rights.